WhatsApp is one of the most popular chatting apps. The app allows users to exchange text messages, photos, songs, video call, group calls with their friends and family members. Almost everyone is using WhatsApp nowadays. Though it offers amazing features and benefits, it still does not allow users to send photos, messages, or videos to more than 5 people at once. This becomes a hindrance when users want to share something with more than 5 people at once. If they want to do that, then they will have to share the message or media items by selecting 5 person each time before sending, which is difficult and takes a lot of time if the user want to send one message or media item to hundreds of people at once. Though you can do this by creating a WhatsApp group, sometimes we just want to add some of the people in one group. But you can send messages to multiple people easily without creating a group by using another feature of WhatsApp called broadcast lists. This feature will allow you to share something with as many as 256 people at once and will help you to save time if you are in a hurry. However, make sure the contacts are saved in your contact list. Here is how you can send a WhatsApp message to many people at once. Follow the steps below to send message to 256 people at once on WhatsApp. First, open your WhatsApp app. Click on 3 dots seen on the chat screen. Click on the new broadcast option. Now you will see all the saved contact numbers in your phone on a new screen. Now select the names you want to send the message. In this, you can select the numbers of up to 256 people. After that, an arrow sign will appear next to it, click on it. Now a group of 250 people has been formed. Now you can send any video, photo and message to 256 people at once without creating a group. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.